everyone and welcome back to the Ag Bio Rooftop Garden here at the University of Saskatchewan. My name is Katie and today I'm going to talk a little bit about harvesting these scarlet runner beans here. So beans are actually one of the easiest seeds to save. You can save the dried beans for replanting the next summer or for using them in cooking throughout the winter. So you're going to want to harvest the pods once they are kind of dry, brittle, and brown. So as an example, this guy here, definitely not ready. These guys here, pretty close to being ready, but still not quite ready yet. However, this one down here is what you're looking for when you're harvesting your bean seeds. So to harvest them, you just pick them off the plant and then you just crack them open like this, and then you can just take the seeds out. So you're gonna wanna save the best seeds and just throw away any that are small, shriveled, or moldy. So when you are storing your bean seeds, you want them to be hard and dry. So, you know, kind of like this. And if you have any that are a bit soft, you can just lay them out on a flat surface and let them air dry. Thanks for joining us.